Hello, I'm Sylvia. This is Sharon. You are 153003. I'm here to explain my third Unix program. It's about the looping statements that we are using in the shell scripting. And my first program is about Fibonacci. So let me explain the Fibonacci program. VI Fibonacci. So this is my program. I've just given enter a number and I've just read the number read n if f1 equal to -1 and f2 equal to equal to 1, and that is the condition for Fibonacci, and I've just given the for loop for iteration I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So here it will be checking echo f1, it will be adding this f1 plus f2, that will give the third number, that is echo, it will be displaying the third number. So the condition is f1 equal to f2 and f2 equal to f3, and for closing the program I have just given done. So this is about the program. Now let me run the program. So sh Fibonacci, so it is asking me to enter a number. I'll give 5. So it will be giving my Fibonacci series according to the condition. So the next program is my sum of series. So sum of series, let me explain that. VI sum of some series sh. So this is my program. Echo enter the number, then I've just read the number. For getting consecutive for getting the iteration, I've given the loop I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and I've already initialized my sum equal to 0. For now I'll be giving sum plus this I into I, that is for getting my sum of series. It's like 1, it's as it's given here, it's like 1 square, then it will be like 3 square plus 5 square, like that I should get. So I've just given I star I, and echo will be sum, then I equal to I plus 1, the sum, then this will be giving my sum of series, that will be added with 1, and that will give me the sum of series. So let me show the output. Asking me to enter a number. Let me give 2. It will give the sum is 1 to the power 2, that is 1. So this is about the sum of series. Next is next program is palindrome. VI So this is about my palindrome. Palindrome is enter, I've just given a number and I've read the number here, and first thing I'm going to declare the number to another variable. So number equal to n, and to reverse the string for palindrome I should reverse the string first, that is my operation. And I've given a while loop to end this where the loop should be ending. So if n is greater than 0, gt is greater than 0, then I have to go get inside the loop, do expression. First I have to find the modulus n modulus 10, and then then I have to give the reverse condition. Reverse multiply, this is for multiplication, reverse into 10 plus the a, that is my modulus value, that is my modulus value that I have to do. And now to reduce the number each step, n equal to expression n divided by 10. So now if the number is equal to the reverse that we have found, then it is a palindrome, else it will not be a palindrome. So equal to is minus eq is equal to. So let me show the output of this program. It's asking me to enter a number. Let me give 33. It will show 33 is a palindrome. Now let me show for another thing. 23 not a palindrome. So this is about the palindrome program. And next thing is next question is Armstrong number. So Armstrong number, similarly I have just given I have to enter the number, and then I've read the number. Now I'm declaring a new variable called temp and a new variable called sum, and I'm initializing it to 0. Then now I'm giving the while loop. Similarly as I did for the palindrome, if n is greater than 0, first thing is I have to divide, I have to find the modulus, and then I've initialized a new variable called reminder. Reminder is Armstrong Armstrong is it should be r into r into r, that is 3 times it should be multiplied, and the sum of that should be equal to the number which we have given, that is the Armstrong logic. So here I have multiplied the numbers into 3 times, and the sum is already I have initialized it to 0, sum equal to sum plus the remainder value which we are getting, and to reduce the number for each iteration, n equal to n divided by 10. So if the number is sum is equal to that of the 10, then you have to, it is given as a Armstrong number, else it will be else it will not be an Armstrong number. So it's asking me to enter a number 45. It's not an Armstrong number. So enter 135. Let me try 123. Not an Armstrong number. So if we give an Armstrong number, it will be displaying an Armstrong number. So the next question is palindrome I've already done, and prime numbers. So now let me check prime. Okay, bi prime. Okay, now I have to find the prime numbers between the range of two numbers. So I have just given, first I need one number, I have got one number and I have read the number. Next number I have similarly I have got the number and I have read the number here, and the prime numbers between, now I am going to find the prime numbers between these two values, these two numbers which I am giving. So for the first is I have given the for loop for the iteration, if n equal to dollar of f1, that is f1, n is greater than or equal to f2, then keep incrementing. First I have initialized my count equal to 0, then then I have given another for loop for this I equal to 2, I less than or equal to expression, if n is divided by 2, then for this is the condition for finding whether it's a prime number or not. So if the answer is equal to, we have to take the modulus. If answer is equal to 0, then count will be increased by 1, break. Then if count is equal to 0 and not equal to, and if it's not equal to 1, then it is a prime number. It will be giving me echo done. So I have given the first number here 13 and the second number is 23. Now it will be displaying the prime numbers between the numbers 13 and the 23, that is 13, 17, 19 and 23. These are the prime numbers that are available. My last program is sorting, that is from ascending or descending. So let me show that program. My next program is about sorting. In ascending or descending orders, I have to give the number of items which I want. I have to read a number of items, and I have to arrange it in ascending order and then in the descending order. So I have got the number of items. I have used the for loop here for getting the array, and I have used an array here for that for getting the number of items. So read array of I, and if I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to the less than or equal to n minus 1, then I plus plus. Then I have used another loop for j is equal to expression I plus 1, j less than or equal to n. So if the value is minimum, the min value is greater than or equal to the array of j, then min equal to array of j. Otherwise location will become array of j. This will be the thing. Now for ascending order, I've given a loop I equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, echo the array of I will be placed in the ascending order. Then for descending order, the same loop, but same kind of loop, but it will be decrementing, that is minus minus, I minus minus. This will give the array of I. So this is about the program. Now let me show the output. So enter the number of items. I'll give 4. Now it's asking me, so let me give 67, 90, 98, 40, so 23. So this will be my thing. So this will be displaying my this in ascending order, and then in ascending order it will arrange it in the ascending order according to the loop I have given, and then in the descending order. So this is about my third program. Thank you.